Okay, now we operate and optimize your machine. What's next? The total maintenance solution tackles all three critical considerations. Predictive maintenance, how to sense the machine's status and avoid foreseeable downtimes.
By continuously analyzing operation data and detecting deviations in feature quantities, it prevents problems before thresholds are exceeded.
Preventive maintenance, based on lifetime equipment status, manage and plan maintenance intervals.
Using cumulative operating time and frequency data management, maintenance can be scheduled to minimize wear-out risks and stabilize performance.
Corrective maintenance, minimize downtime when a breakdown happened by supporting you with the right tools to save every possible minute that costs you real money.
Historical log and video data allow rapid root cause analysis and structured recovery steps to restore production volume efficiently.
And almost all solutions are infused with our own embedded AI, from component up to equipment and the line level. Contact us today and learn how the MX controller and our factory automation ecosystem can help you build the future.